Has hecho un gran trabajo hasta ahora.
Vậy bạn ơi.
My parents got this new rug. It's different colors. I don't know if I like it because it's pretty slippery. Let me show you.
One and two. And dance.
Terrain. Pull up.
Job at a gas station.
I want to dance with her.
Mattress killer.
Come on, bro.
The slick conditions, no match for cars and pedestrians. This comes at
Вот у нас два мальчика катаются, не один, да, киселетик?
Will the printer break or bounce? It broke.
Está muy brillante. Dios, está súper brillante. What? Vale. This one, no bueno. This one, I'm confident. All the way. All the way out.
Pulling random girl's hair, but it's okay, because I'm part 10.
Yo, what's good, bro?
Yo, look at the moon.
Damn, it's a full moon today, bro.
And we're gonna make some axes. Go.
Zrobione, zrobione.